Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called sailing. This is the dance that the riders do. And I'm going to teach you two ways. Just keep in mind, this is a circle dance, okay? Instructors, I would teach it as just a regular line dance and then to teach the steps just like you teach a regular line dance, and then put everybody in a circle and then move the dance in the circle. And I'll show you how to do that. If you're watching this channel for the first time, this is a line dance teaching channel where I break down the steps step by step. If you like this content, please consider subscribing. And if you're located in the New Orleans area and are interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Now, this is the instructional. And if you want the demo with the music, I'll post it at the end. Are you ready? Make sure you share this video. So this is called sailing. Now, we do a dance called El Paso, and it's something in like El Paso. So I noticed in the trail riders, they do really simple dances, and they actually take some of the line dances that we do, just twerk them a little bit and change them up and put it to trail ride music, okay? So stand on this side of the room, looking in this direction. Let me see. Yes. No. Let's stand on this side of the room and face in this direction. So you're going to start with an out and cross. You're going to do it 4 times. Out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, out and cross. Okay? And when you do that, you're moving up. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my weight is on the left. Okay? So I'm actually starting with my weight on the left. Out and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you do a tap lift. Again, tap lift. Okay? When you do that tap lift, it's going to get you ready to move forward on that right. Okay? So there's 2 things you're doing. You tap lift, then you're shuffling up on the right. Tap lift, shuffle, rock up, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover. So that's a triple step. Tap, lift, 1, 2, 3, rock up, recover back, 1, 2, 3, rock back, recover. So it's pretty much what you do on the right, you do on the left. It's a cha-cha, we call it a cha-cha. So let's put that together. Out and cross, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Again, tap, lift, cha-cha, rock up, come back, cha-cha, step right, left. So we went up on that right. Right, left, right, back, left, right, left. Now, I want you to go up again with a cha-cha. Cha-cha, come step on that left and pivot half. All right, so it's a step pivot. So you cha-cha, cha-cha, step left, pivot half. And you keep that footwork there, okay? And your weight is on your right. My left heel is up, I'm gonna do another cha-cha and cha-cha. From here, I'm gonna make a quarter turn to my left, which will be the outside of the circle. My right shoulder come forward, and I'm going 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I rock 4 times. All right, so that means we're facing outside the circle. All right, because I started here. All right, and the circle is moving around here. So when I do that rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is right, left, I'm facing outside the circle. And that's the end of the dance. So when I start over, I step out and I make my quarter turn to my left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So when I rock, 1, 2, 3, 4, I make my turn forward when I step out on my right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Step. Then I go up with my cha-cha. Cha-cha, rock up, left back, cha-cha, right back. Cha-cha again, cha-cha, step left, pivot half. Half turn. So you're really pivoting to look at the person that's behind you. Okay? And then you cha-cha on the left. Left, right, left. Once you do that, you step on that right, quarter turn to your left. And you rock right, left, right, left. And when you do that, you're turning and rocking at the same time. So left, left, turn. Right, left, left. From here, dance starts over. And then you turning and tapping out at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, lift. Don't forget about that. Okay? 5, 6. So let me do it like I taught you, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks in the circle. So tap out, lift. 1, tap, tap and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, lift, cha-cha, cha-cha back, cha-cha, cha-cha forward, step, pivot half, cha-cha left, turn and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, starts over again. Remember, we turn forward with the shoulder and tap out at the same time to start the dance over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and tap, lift. Don't forget about that tap, lift. Now, let me show you how that looks when you, let me take this right here, this pad right here. When you're doing it in a circle, okay? So put this mat down. So when you're in a circle, you're traveling around. So let's put it together. You can watch me if you want. So I do it out and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and tap, lift, cha-cha, rock up, cha-cha, step back, cha-cha, pivot, cha-cha, and rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, out, tap, lift, cha-cha up. Come back on that left, go forward on that right, pivot half, left, right, left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and turn, right, left, not out and cross, out, cross, tap, lift, cha-cha, rock up, cha-cha, step back, cha-cha, pivot. I'm looking at the person right behind me, and I turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, okay? So that's how it looks in the circle. So instructors teach it just like a regular line dance, okay? To make sure they have the steps. Then place them in a circle. Now, let me show you a modification. So you might see they get fancy, right? Let me show you how they do that. You might see it, and the reason why I want to show you this, because you might say, well, she didn't teach us like that. They're just changing it up a little bit. So let's start the dance over. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So we do our out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, out and cross, tap, lift, cha-cha. Up, bring it back on the left, back up, pivot, step left, and rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, so this is what I'm trying to say. Here's the difference. Here's what you might see them do, and it's the same thing. So I need to turn forward, right? Okay, sometimes you might see them do this. They turn back, out and cross, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, lift. Okay? So I went to forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, tap, lift. All they're doing is going backwards, moving backwards. Still doing the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They turn on 8, then tap, lift. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So that you might see them going backwards, but it's the same thing. Instead of them moving forward, they're turning back. Okay? But they make sure they turn around in time enough to do that tap, lift. Okay? So that's called sailing. I hope I didn't confuse you. And that's a dance that they do, the trail riders do. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Watch the demo and let's dance together. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.